It is estimated that 80% of urban Indian population is deficient in vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, in the country.
Recent reports suggest 8 out of 10 people in Delhi suffer from vitamin D deficiency.
The strongest probable cause is RO water. Yes, RO water. WHO report reveals disturbing facts in health risks from drinking demineralized water. WHO says in search for clean drinking water, we remove many essential minerals from water. RO water actually causes health problems. WHO also released a report, after analyzing hundreds of scientific studies stating that RO water has a definite adverse influence on humans. A similar study was published in medical journal Armed Forces India. Demineralization of drinking water, is it prudent? Czech and Slovak health regulators were aghast when health complaints of acute magnesium and calcium deficiency were reported within weeks of RO water being used in home taps in 2000. RO water is mineral hungry. RO water wants to bond to everything, and it will take the minerals where it can, like in your food and body. When it is consumed, it extracts minerals from your body. Calcium, vitamin D, and magnesium, the calming mineral, get removed from your body by RO water. Scientists further studied that this mineral loss was not compensated by our diets. Consumption of RO water leads to the dilution of the electrolytes dissolved in the body water. Minerals being consumed in food and vitamins by you, are being urinated away. RO water leads to deficiency in calcium, thereby leaving us with osteoporosis, arthritis, depression, mood swings, irritability, bone loss, hair loss. RO water also leads to deficiency in magnesium, thereby leaving us with diabetes, fatigue, cramps, insomnia, hypertension, heart disease, osteoporosis. Epidemiological studies suggest that RO water may be a risk factor for society. Our ancestors used to feed on water. Now, RO water feeds on us. Time to wake up. RO water with 50 to 100 TDS is bad for health. Please consume water with 300 to 400 TDS only. Or adjust your RO water machine to provide water with 300-400 TDS. You can check your TDS at home with a TDS meter costing only Rs 150. Issued in public interest.